Hello, in this tutorial I will teach you how to broadcast live on your custom tab. In this session, you can make a live broadcast to your YouTube channel, group, or Facebook page, or any other social network that provides the RTMP link and key for your broadcast. The first step is to click on the Create Live button. Here we will give a name to our broadcast. Then we will enter the service URL and the streaming service access key. To illustrate, I'm going to do a live broadcast in a Facebook group. Access your Facebook profile, click on the live video button, and here on the left tab we can choose between publishing on the timeline, publishing on a page, and publishing in a group. Now let's select between going live or creating a live video event. Let's select the streaming software, and then we can copy the stream key and server URL. After copying, just paste it into this field. Then click Save. Now we can enable your transmission. Make sure your video encoder, whether OBS or vMix, is already transmitting. The web TV service can stream both the scheduled playlist and the live stream. Our transmission is almost ready. Now just go to Facebook and start the live. Okay, we're already broadcasting. To end the transmission, click here. I hope this video helped you. See you in the next tutorial.